Hey you guys, what is up? It is Carl Planken with Plankens Networking, and today, if you guys are following us up on our calendar on our website, which you can get to by going to plankens.com/calendar.html, you know that today we are doing a video on Kodi. This is the introduction to Kodi, which is basically a media server client that allows you to access your data over a network, basically. So if you have a file server or something, you can set it up to make it so that Kodi will connect to your file server and you have your music there. So the first thing we're going to do is start by installing Kodi. Now, to get Kodi, you can go to Kodi.com, Kodi.tv/download. Now, if you're going to be doing this on Linux, then you're going to want to do the Linux version, the Mac version, Android, the Android version, and so on and so forth. It just depends on what you're doing. Also, feel free to donate. That'll help keep the software free and running for a while. So, and one thing you guys do need to know, also, if you are doing this on Windows, you will also need to download DirectX 9. And I want to be honest with you guys, I had to download like 4 different versions of this before I finally got the right one. So I'm actually going to be posting a link in the description on my website to the download for DirectX if you're doing this on Windows 8. So now that we have already downloaded this, and we've already installed it, but just for the video's sake, I am going to do all this again and show you guys what to do. So you will need to download the Windows installer, and we're going to download this to our desktop. And then you also need to download the DirectX software. In my case, I'm just going to click here again, but I already have it right there, so I'm not going to re-download it. So after you have downloaded that, both of those, you're going to want to come to your desktop and install them. So we're going to install Kodi, and then we're going to install DirectX. No reason we shouldn't just do this at the same time, because I don't think it'll interfere with anything. And that's just asking me that. That won't pop up for you guys. It's just asking me that because I already had this installed. No, we do not want to install the Bing bar. And so we're just going to wait for these two to load. Now, what I'm going to tell you guys while this is running, okay, DirectX is done, is basically what I'm going to be doing in this series is showing you guys what Kodi is used for, what you can do with it, and some pretty cool things that I personally use on my own Kodi machine. And I just kind of want you guys to get familiar with this software because I really like it. I'm a huge fan of XBMC and Kodi, and I have been for a while, and I honestly think it'll save people a lot of money instead of going out and buying these Rokus and, God knows what else is out there that just doesn't have all that great of app support. Sorry about that, you guys. And so Kodi is done, and we are going to run it now. Like I said, I personally just really like this software, and I feel like doing some reviews on it and some tutorials on it would be pretty fun. And who knows, maybe you guys will download it, you'll like it, and you'll be using it in your house too. So once you're done, you can run it. And I'm not going to show you a whole lot in this video because, like I said, this is going to be a video series. But basically, you can get to pictures if you wanted to. You can add pictures. You can add add-ons for pictures. Same with your videos, music, programs. All this is going to be stuff we go over. But I think for today's video, this is going to be all, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next tutorial.